Hi there. Today I am back with a branding video which is more about brand strategy and why brand strategy alone is not enough to deliver ROI. Yes, you heard it right, the return on investment. A lot of people talk about brand strategy being strategic, deploying very thoughtfully, carefully, mindfully developed strategic initiatives, but they do not fetch results. What can be the reason why this strategic alignment is not giving you the return on investment that you desire, that you deserve, probably for deploying that world-class strategy, which I am sure every founder and business owner develops for their own business. A recent interaction with one of the founder, CEO and the COO of that business led to me explaining to them about integrated brand marketing, and that is where we discussed about why brand strategy really being the only reason for developing or for giving you the desired ROI. That's when I ended up explaining more about integrated brand marketing services, and that's where we thought that it is important that we talk about it at length and share it with our subscribers on the YouTube space as well. Well, integrated brand marketing thing is important when you have a strategy, but you need a strategic framework to execute it. I talk about it in terms of that we as an agency become the brand tacticians for you. But before we move on to the tacticians, I would like to talk about integrated brand marketing and why it is significant. Any strategy is not good enough if it is not executed well. And to execute it properly, you need somebody who has the desired skill set, who has the desired prowess to deliver what you are trying to seek. And to deliver that, they need to have the understanding of your business. They need to have an understanding of the content around your business. They should be smart enough to analyze the competition. They should have an understanding of the surroundings of the business environment and ecosystems, whatever domain or industry you come from. And to deliver all of that, you need a set of expert brand tacticians who can actually give you the result as your own team. And that is where integrated brand marketing becomes very, very useful. Also, because there is no one marketing activity that can run the show in the present business ecosystems where technology, artificial intelligence, everything is making its way. And that is why business intelligence itself alone is not enough, and you need to work on the critical aspects, which is having tech-driven strategies, having people who can deploy those strategies, people who are updated, upskilled, and they can use the apps, as frequently as they are coming into the market. People who are keeping the eye on the competitor, because as a business founder, you cannot do it all the time. You have a lot of other things also to execute. That is why integrated brand marketing system comes into picture, and I can proudly say that we have been working as the integrated brand marketing team for various of the businesses. Also, I'm here to drop the myth that integrated brand marketing does not mean something very exuberant or expensive all the time, because it is always custom, it is always derived as per the business goal, business alignment, and that alignment is what makes integrated brand marketing better than a marketing coordination. Why? Because marketing is one aspect of brand marketing, but integrated brand marketing takes care of numerous roles. For example, it covers a brand strategist, it covers content marketing team, it brings you the expertise of SEO team, SMM team, which is social media marketing. It also takes care of elements like brand PR, PPC, which is paid campaigns. It takes care of offline activations that lot of brands these days need, whether it is influencer marketing or newspaper advertisements or out of home media. So integrated brand marketing offers you that space and that alignment, that one team is there to take care of your business at all the aspects that your business need at one particular stage. Now maybe you are a store, based out of 3 cities and you are keen on having local marketing. So your integrated brand marketing plan will be custom based as per those requirements. Similarly, if you are a business, which is growing and doing great, let's say in 2 continents, and you are keen to expand, to bigger geographies, you are keen to expand into better audiences. That means maybe you are redefining your ideal customer profile, your target audience, and that is why you are keen to get into a segment where you can multiply your outreach. So I'm talking about businesses which say that, okay, from this we have reached to a certain level, but now we are ready for 5x growth. And that is where integrated brand marketing team comes into picture, and it is very, very beneficial if we do the cost benefit analysis also, because setting up a brand marketing team with so many skill sets is usually an elephant task for any founding team, for any growing business that is keen to expand and needs to focus too much on the growth. So that's where integrated brand marketing brings in all these skill sets, all these prowess, and those are the people who we call as the brand tacticians at 30th Feb. So when do you need the integrated brand marketing system incorporated into your business, and why you should consider this as the best option rather than having one consultant or a fractional CMO or a marketing coordinator, or maybe expanding an in-house team? Well, the reasons, if I talk about as per our experiences, let's say if you have grown to a considerably good sales team, but now your business is going in for rebranding, repositioning, you are ready to up the game. So maybe an integrated brand team will see the overall picture of the business and not only help you scale in terms of lead generation or growth marketing, but also help you set the systems and structure internally. So this is the time that you need an integrated brand marketing team. Also, if you are having a problem that you have created a customer base, but you are not equipped enough to upsell, cross-sell, or diversify your product or service offerings and make more revenue from the existing team. So that is where an integrated brand marketing team will help you set up all those diversified and expansion tools, whether it is a product, service, developing the content decks around it, creating the web space around it, equipping team who can actually do the sales, and setting up the content distribution channels and managing the content funnels, which makes your expansion or diversification easy. And there are 10 number of reasons I can talk about when an integrated brand marketing team can be the right fix to help your business grow, to help your marketing team scale faster and scale better, and to actually help your business move from where it is today to reach where you want to take it to. If you think that all these things are making sense to you, let's talk.